Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Vanessa. If you're new here, please subscribe before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber, it's nice to see you again. Today's video is on another hair care video. So as you can tell by looking at my hair, it looks a lot lighter than in my previous videos. I'll link a video down below of how it looked before I started doing this, but I just figured that I would make this video today just to help anyone if you are kind of going through what I'm going through. So if you don't know the background, if you're new to my channel, I used to have black box dyed hair for years, and I wanted to go lighter, and a hairdresser that I found said that it was fine and there wouldn't be any brassiness, and if there was, we could tone it down and everything like that. And it would just turn into a nightmare of me getting my hair done so many times because it was never the color that I wanted. It was always brassy and pulling warm and just like orangey looking and stuff. So it was a really bad experience. I dyed my hair so many times to get it to where I wanted it to be, and it still wasn't there. And then my hair, as you can tell from the top, is so much thicker than what it is at the bottom. It's like thinner. I've cut it I've probably cut off like this much hair since this whole journey, just because it was so damaged, and now it's finally not as damaged looking, but it still kind of is. And it's a lot thinner, thinned out and everything like that. So if you're kind of going through what I was going through, and your hair, you've been highlighting it or getting it balayaged or whatever it is you're doing, and it's still not the color that you want, but you don't want to go get it bleached more because it's too damaged, it's too expensive, it's too thinned out or dry, and you're just scared of what's going to happen next. What I did with mine is I just stopped bleaching it completely, and then I just took really good care of it. I'll be posting a video soon of my hair care routine for damaged hair, so tune in for that. And I have another video on purple shampoos that I'll link below if you're looking for purple shampoos. But this is the way I've just been lightening my hair this summer, and I find it's really been working out for me. I'll just go through the steps of what I do, and I'll tell you about the two products that I've been using and my review on each. And if you like this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you want me to do another video with me actually applying it on my hair, just comment and let me know below, because I could do that too. But the two things that I use are not bleach. I'm not like using bleaches or mixing up toners or anything. Like, I don't have any hairdresser experience, so I'm just doing it the easy way. And the easiest way that I found from doing lots of research and just trial and error myself is this Ouai Son of a Beach Ombre Spray. I'll have the products linked below if you're interested. This Ouai Son of a Beach Ombre Spray has hydrogen peroxide in it. It also has castor oil and coconut and pineapple and coconut water and aloe leaf and stuff like that. So it claims to lighten hair that's already bleached up to 4 shades lighter, or if you have natural hair, it just kind of gives you a nice natural sun-kissed look, I guess. I've never tried it on natural hair. I only use it on my highlights. So I put it from like here down. The way that I actually use it is I wash my hair like normal, towel dry it, and then I apply this to the parts that I want lightened. So like from here downwards to the bottom, I just spray it all over, spray it here, spray it there. I don't have to worry if it gets on the brown pieces or anything, because I don't find it does that much for the brown pieces that I have. But I've noticed that the blonde has gotten so much lighter just with using this, and this is all that I've used so far of it. You just shake it up really well when you use it, but I've probably used it like 10 times, and I've only used up this amount for this whole tube of 150 or 140 mils. It's only around $30, and it gradually lightens your hair. So it says to do this and then blow dry your hair or go out in the sun. So I've tried it both ways. With blow drying, you can see it's just lightened almost automatically, but it is really dried feeling. And then with going out in the sun, same thing, it really lightens it. And I noticed just after one application, it's a lot lighter and stuff. So I'm just continuing to use it. So some pros and cons of this product. Pros, it's affordable. It's easy to find. You can buy it at Sephora. I'll link it below. For this whole tube, it would last you like your whole lifetime, I feel like. So $30 in comparison to going to the salon and bleaching your hair. It's so much cheaper. And another pro is it's less damaging. So I haven't noticed any hair falling out or my hair thinning more or frying more, breaking off more or anything, because it's not the same thing as a bleach. And it does really give just like a natural look, like just to the highlights and kind of like a natural ombre, just like it says. And you can use it with a blow dryer if you don't have sun, or you can just put it on with your damp hair and go out in the sun and it works. You'll notice another pro is that you'll notice a change just within even a use or two. Cons of it, like I have it in my hair today, so you can see my hair looks crunchy and kind of like messy wave, crunchy, kind of beachy look. So this product is quite heavy on the hair. It is a little bit sticky when you first apply it, but it just feels like, you know, those products that feel heavy on the hair, like it doesn't feel light. It feels like it's weighing your hair down. It feels like if you put it on clean hair, it looks just not clean anymore. That's what this product does. And your hair does feel quite dry when you're using it, but the weird thing is after you shower and rinse it out, your hair feels super soft and nice. So it's just drying feeling when you have it in. It can make your hair dried, weighed down, crunchy. Like I've never used it and tried to style my hair after because I just don't think it would go well. It would just look heavy and weighed down. So it's kind of something you want to use on a day off or a gym day or something that you're going to throw your hair up in a ponytail. But I wouldn't use it on a day that you have a big event and you need to style your hair and make it look great or anything, because you'll be like when I first tried it, I was just kind of overwhelmed by how sticky and heavy it was. Like I wasn't really expecting that, but now that I know what it's like, I'm used to it, and I don't use it every single time. I just use it, like I said, when I'm going to be outside or it's a really sunny day and I'm going to be out and I just wash my hair. That's a perfect time. But I've really liked it, and I've noticed a big difference in the color of my hair. It lightened my hair a lot and it didn't damage it or make it fall out further or anything. So I really love this, and this is like the second or third Ouai product that I've tried, and I really love their products. So that's the first step that I do. And then whenever you're lightening your hair, like you'll see when you go to the hairdresser or if you've gone to bleach your hair or anything like that, you know that when you lighten your hair, you'll get undesirable tones. Like you'll get yellows and you might get more red or something. Even when I use this, I might notice that it looks more yellowy. I don't find it looks that brassy on me, but it does make my hair look more yellowy, so then I need to tone it down. So I've been using my favorite purple shampoo still. This is the Joico Color Endure Violet purple shampoo. It's sulfate free and it's for toning blonde and gray hair, and I use this like 1 to 2 times a week in my shower. I lather it on. It's super dark purple. Like I'll see if I can show you here. It's really dark purple. It's kind of messy because it's always in my shower, but it's really dark purple. It smells good. It makes your hair soft. It even can stain your hands for a few minutes when you have it on because it really has a lot of pigment to it. Put it on your hair, put it on the blonde spots, and I leave it on for like, you could leave it on for like 5 to 15 minutes depending on what I want. I'll leave it on longer or shorter, but I've never gotten like purple hair or weird tones or anything from it. It just gives me that ashy look. So I've been really happy with it. So that's kind of how I've been lightening my hair, and I hope it helps you guys if you're wanting to do the same but you just don't want to spend any more money at the hairdresser, or your hair is too fried or too thin and you don't want to bleach it anymore. Maybe try these 2 products because the combination of these 2 has really been working well for me. So I'll link them below, and I hope it really works well for you. Comment below if you've ever tried these products. What do you use to lighten and tone your hair at home? And don't forget to like this video if you've liked it, and please subscribe for more videos. I know a lot of you found me from my purple shampoo video, and I have a lot more hair videos coming for you. I'm just filming them and editing and all that, so just a matter of time. If you do try these products, please comment below if you liked them, if they worked for you. I hope it just helps anyone that was kind of going through the same brassy, damaged hair struggles that I've been going through. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching and all your previous comments and likes and subscriptions and positivity on my last videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.